What if the past isn't really in the past? I spent years pretending that nothing had happened, that everything was fine, but some days the memories would just come flooding back. I couldn't control it. And some days it would feel like my whole life was being trolled by some sick, twisted joke. People think that having PTSD makes them weak, that it's something to be ashamed of. But let me tell you something. It doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. You've experienced something that was so traumatic that your body went into survival mode. There are people who want to help you, who want to listen. You're not alone, we're here for you. That's not a weakness, that's an instinct. A fight, flight, or freeze response to danger. Your body was trying to protect you. It doesn't mean you're weak, it means you're strong. Like, why me? Why did this happen to me? I have post-traumatic stress disorder. Trauma has a way of freezing moments in time, memories that your body remembers even when your mind tries to forget. The sudden panic, the unexplained anger, the numbness, the flashbacks, they aren't weakness. You can't heal if you're not honest about what happened. You can't move on if you're still carrying that shame. You have to give yourself permission to feel, to process, to be angry, to cry, to scream, to let it all out, because when you do that, you're not weak, you're healing. They're survival responses from a mind and body that are still trying to feel safe. You might look fine on the outside, but inside you're scanning every room, replaying every word, preparing for the worst, even in the best moments, because you never know when or where the next trigger is gone hit you. Healing doesn't mean pretending it didn't happen. It means finally giving yourself permission to feel, to process, and to be free. We talk a lot about mental health these days, but there's still so much stigma, so much shame. But here's the thing. I'm here to tell you that it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to struggle. It's okay to ask for help. And it's okay to take your time. There's no right or wrong way to heal. No one understands your pain like you do. So don't let anyone tell you how to feel or what to do. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and don't give up on you. Because you're worth it. If you or someone you know is struggling with PTSD or any other mental health condition, please reach out for help.